All right, back at Hagans Urban Greenscape. You're on today with the Bishop, and just wanted to show you all a few things that's been going on. As you can see right there, we've got some cauliflower. Got some there, and some is coming in here. And I also found out, didn't notice it until yesterday, we've got broccoli. Of course, the bugs got to me earlier when I planted these back in October. They started smacking away at the leaves, but nevertheless, we still got growth for what we planted. So, and then I came and chopped some of the leaves down yesterday, and that's lettuce, that's cabbage, red cabbage that I also planted right next to that. Right next to here we have, that's onions, some more lettuce there, my other bed, all types of different Chinese. It's kind of like Chinese veggies. So some of them are cabbage, some of them are like leeks, different things. I got to come back and thin them out a little bit. More lettuce, cabbage. I got some, what do you call that? Swiss chard that's growing in there. More lettuce, onions, and that fig tree right there, it's doing good. Unfortunately, the other day we had a major windstorm came and it destroyed my greenhouse, and there's my greenhouse destroyed. But I got another one coming through, so I'll get it back up. Okay, more lettuce. That right there is a pepper plant. It's growing pretty good. I wouldn't think that peppers would grow in November, but these peppers, look at that, my Mancini peppers. I got some cayenne peppers over there. I got over here, I got some kohlrabi and spinach. Those are beans, believe it or not. Onions, beautiful cabbages, beautiful. Look at these. More spinach. No, that's broccoli. More broccoli. Cabbage. I need to get that out of there. Some of you all are still gardening, which you can do. And I do believe God is going to give us a mild, Mother Nature they say, but I know it's really God. God is going to provide us, I believe, a mild winter. We've had them before in the past, and I do believe we may be headed for one this year. Whatever the good Lord decides He wants to send, that's what He's going to allow us to have. So we thank God for our growing season thus far. It's been very productive. There we see carrots have grown in there, and you can plant still in this region where I'm in zone 6A, which is in Ohio, and I'm still planting, believe it or not. I'm still growing in the ground. Here you see I have lettuce. That right there is beets. Right there is, what is that? Broccoli. That's more broccoli. Still growing. Turnip greens. And as you can see, in between each one of those, I've got planted there leaves. If you would have seen the number of leaves that was in this backyard, you would not believe it. Those are mustard greens. A lot of these are cold hardy plants that can grow very well in the cold. Acorns all over the place. Okay, right here, squash. Believe it or not, I've got squash, baby squash growing in there. Cabbage. What is that? Yep, cabbage. And I think this right here, if I'm not mistaken, is arugula. Got arugula. That's kohlrabi. That right there. Let's see. Look at that. Got a little sunflower. I think that also is some type of green leafy vegetable. So that's just a mini tour of everything thus far. There again, got more peppers growing right there. And but this whole yard was filled up with leaves. I mean, if you look way in the back there, you'll see leaves. But my whole garden was loaded. Came out here yesterday, and I was able to blow all these leaves out, which I was able to see everything. And I know it's kind of raggedy. We don't do pretty gardening like Skinny Boy Randy said. We do productive gardening. So we got a lot of good things going on. Even over here, those are strawberries. Of course, they'll last. I've got them with some mulch, some hay in there. And believe it or not, I still got a few of these hot peppers growing on there. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off because I think they're about ready to be harvested. Probably been ready, but I've already harvested them twice, and so this is the third harvest in the last 2 months. So start pulling some of that in. But that's pretty much the garden, and we're right at the end of November, right pre-Thanksgiving. And I'm really excited about this second harvest of mine in the fall. I've already harvested earlier in October, and now it looks like I'm gonna be able to harvest again here in November, probably December, and I'll still grow. I'm gonna grow throughout the entire year. Yes, you can even grow during the season of winter if you winterize everything, and that's what I'm preparing to do. So we're just in the midst of a good harvest again, and I'm excited. So y'all stay tuned. This is the Bishop with Hagans Urban Greenscape. Remember, we see your need. Y'all be blessed.